Today's top 10 AI stories. Breaking from Asia, Alibaba International launches Accio Work AI agent, says it can build online stores in 30 minutes. Alibaba International today launched its enterprise-grade AI agent, Accio Work, in overseas markets, claiming it can autonomously handle the entire e-commerce workflow, from store setup and operations to marketing and cross-border sourcing. Accio Work integrates specialized AI agents, including e-commerce experts, online store operators, and dropshipping assistants, and offers customizable skill packages across supply chain, marketing. In global AI news, Anthropic's leaked AI coding tool has been cloned over 8,000 times on GitHub despite mass takedowns. Anthropic accidentally leaked the source code behind Claude Code. The extent of the damage is becoming clear, and it's potentially significant. The article Anthropic's leaked AI coding tool has been cloned over 8,000 times on GitHub despite mass takedowns appeared first on the decoder. This is a significant development from Anthropic, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from the United States, Listen Labs raises $69 million after viral billboard hiring stunt to scale AI customer interviews. Alfred Wolfors was running out of options. His startup, Listen Labs, needed to hire over 100 engineers, but competing against Mark Zuckerberg's $100 million offers seemed impossible. So he spent $5,000, a fifth of his marketing budget, on a billboard in San Francisco displaying what looked like gibberish, 5 strings of random numbers. The numbers were actually AI tokens. Decoded, they led to a coding challenge: build an algorithm to act as a digital bouncer at Berghain, the Berlin nightclub famous for rejecting nearly everyone at the door. Within days, thousands attempted the puzzle. Breaking from the United States, Anthropic launches Cowork, a Claude Desktop agent that works in your files, no coding required. Anthropic released Cowork on Monday, a new AI agent capability that extends the power of its wildly successful Claude Code tool to non-technical users, and according to company insiders, the team built the entire feature in approximately a week and a half, largely using Claude Code itself. The launch marks a major inflection point in the race to deliver practical AI agents to mainstream users, positioning Anthropic to compete not just with OpenAI and Google in conversational AI, but with Microsoft's Copilot in the burgeoning market for AI-powered productivity tools. Cowork lets you complete non-technical tasks much like how developers use Claude. Breaking from the United States, Railway secures $100 million to challenge AWS with AI-native cloud infrastructure. Railway, a San Francisco-based cloud platform that has quietly amassed 2 million developers without spending a dollar on marketing, announced Thursday that it raised $100 million in a Series B funding round, as surging demand for artificial intelligence applications exposes the limitations of legacy cloud infrastructure. TQ Ventures led the round, with participation from FPV Ventures, Redpoint, and Unusual Ventures. The investment values Railway as one of the most significant infrastructure startups to emerge during the AI boom, capitalizing on developer frustration with the complexity and cost of traditional platforms like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud. As AI models get better at. Breaking from the United States, Nomadic raises $8.4 million to wrangle the data pouring of autonomous vehicles. The company turns footage from robots into structured, searchable datasets with a deep learning model. This is a significant development from Nomadic, with more details expected in the coming days. In global AI news, South Korean AI Chipmaker raises $400 million for Inference. The evolving AI market presents opportunities for new players, such as Rebellions, to offer silicon diversity. This is a significant development from South Korean AI Chipma, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from the United States, OpenAI, not yet public, raises $3 billion from retail investors in monster $122 billion fundraise. OpenAI's latest funding round, led by Amazon, Nvidia, and SoftBank, values the AI lab at $852 billion as it nears an IPO. This is a significant development from OpenAI, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from Asia, Zhongzhi releases FlagOS 2.0 to expand multi-chip AI ecosystem. Zhongzhi has released FlagOS 2.0, expanding its multi-chip AI software platform to support embodied intelligence and scientific computing across 32 AI chips. This is a significant development from Zhongzhi releases Flag, with more details expected in the coming days. Breaking from the United States, Claude Code costs up to $200 a month. Goose does the same thing for free. The artificial intelligence coding revolution comes with a catch: it's expensive. Claude Code, Anthropic's terminal-based AI agent that can write, debug, and deploy code autonomously, has captured the imagination of software developers worldwide. But its pricing, ranging from $20 to $200 per month depending on usage, has sparked a growing rebellion among the very programmers it aims to serve. Now, a free alternative is gaining traction. Goose, an open-source AI agent developed by Block, the financial technology company formerly known as Square, offers nearly identical functionality to Claude Code but runs entirely on a user's local machine. No subscription fees. That's your AI Chronicle update for today. Hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for daily AI news. See you tomorrow.